Biological basis of behavior. Animal behavior often use species-specific. This is distinct in mating behavior of animals. Sexual behavior often different in closely related animals. Animal behavior inherited to generation. Behavior change in response to alterations in biological structures of process. In humans, some behaviors run in families. For example, there is a clear familiar aggregation of mental illness. Behavior has an evolutionary history that persists across related species. Chimpanzees are 4 closest relatives, separated from us by a mere 2% difference in DNA sequence.